Question number 4. So here given 7 integer 3 by 10 whole square minus 2 integer 1 by 10 whole square. So here given question, it is a mixed fraction. So now first we should multiply 10 into 7. 10 into 7, 70. 10 7s are 70 plus 3, 73. 73 divided by 10. Multiply 10 into 7, 70. 70 plus 3, 73. 73 divided by this 10 whole square. Similarly, next point, 10 twos are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 10 whole square. Now this it is in the form a square minus b square. What is that form, a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Now here a is equal to what? 73 by 10. A square means 73 by 10. B square 21 by 10. That is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Right here a plus b and a minus b. So how to write here? 73 by 10 plus 21 by 10. Now it is in the form a plus b. Then next a minus b. 73 by 10 minus 21 by 10. Now first we should add these to numerator. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 2, 9. Divided by 10. 10 is common. Base you should write one time. Okay. Or you can LCM, you get same answer. 10 you should write. Then 73 minus 21, numerator you have to subtract. 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Divided by 10. Now this is equal to. Now multiply 94 into 52. 94 into 52. 94 into 52. 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Here plus 5 4s are 20. 2 carry. Here 0. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. Here 8. Here 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 4. 4,888. 4,888 divided by 10 tens are 100. Okay. Now again this we can write it as, this is the final answer. If you want to write in decimal means denominator there are 2 zeros. Denominator there are 2 zeros. So in numerator after 2 the point. So or 48.88. 48.88. Question number 5. 0.7 whole square minus 0.3 whole square. Now here the question is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square answer, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here how to write? 0.7 plus 0.3 a plus b. Then a minus b. 0.7 minus 0.3. Okay. Now add these two. 0.7, 0.7 plus 0.3. 7 plus 3, 10. Here 0 is there, so directly can take 10. So after one digit point, that means answer is 1. So this is 1 into 0.7 minus 0.3. Subtract 0.7 minus 0.3. 7 minus 3, 4.0. 0.4. Okay. Into here 0.4. Then multiply 1 into 0.4 is 0.4 is the answer. The given question, it is in the form a square minus b square. First you write down the formula here. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Now here a means what we should take here, 5a minus 2b. B means here 2a minus b. Because this question is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now first we should write a. A value is this. Square bracket. What is a here? 5a minus 2b. Okay. A plus b. B is this. 2a minus b. Close this bracket. Again a minus b. A is this. 5a minus 2b. Then minus b, 2a minus b. Now for this term there is no problem because here plus is there, no problem. Here is minus, so it is the difficult for you all. So you can remove this square bracket, then take this, remove common bracket also. 5a minus 2b should write down directly. Then plus 2a minus b, copy. Then this you write in common bracket. Okay. The next point. See here, square bracket is there. No need to take now square bracket. Now you can cancel it. Now here this point you should write as it is, 5a minus 2b. 5a minus 2b. Now this point is very important. Because of this only we took all this square bracket and common bracket. So multiply minus into 2a minus 2a. Minus into minus it become plus. Plus minus into minus plus b. Okay. Now 5a plus 2a. 5a plus 2a. Add these two. 7a minus 2b minus b. When both are negative, what we should do? Keep minus sign and add. Minus 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 3b. Okay. Keep minus sign and add. Then similarly here, 5a minus 2a. 5a minus 2a. In 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3a. Then minus 2b plus b. Here both are opposite side. How to subtract? 2 minus 1, 1. So biggest number sign minus, minus b. So this is the result.